case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the world of V-shaped computer tables, an intense legal battle was waged between Bretford Manufacturing, Inc. and Smith System Manufacturing Corp. The legal conflict revolved around Bretford accusing Smith System of copying the design of their tables and effectively engaging in what is known as reverse passing off. Bretford contended that they were the sole creators of this design, having spent more than 8 years and over $4 million promoting sales of their unique product. They swirled accusations at Smith System, alleging that the competitor had wrongfully used Bretford's leg assemblies on samples, thereby misleading potential customers. Bretford argued that their design was protected under the Lanham Act, which guard against false representations linked to goods or services, and that Smith System was not entitled to duplicate their design. Initially, the district court seemed to side with Bretford, ruling Smith System guilty of copying the design. However, in a surprising turn of events, the court rescinded its earlier judgment. The reversal was rooted in the concluding determination that Bretford's V-shaped design of the computer tables was functional rather than an emblem signifying the product's origin. Therefore, it did not qualify for protection under trade dress laws. Bretford did not take this reversal lightly and challenged the decision, thereby escalating the matter to the Court of Appeals. Their argument, however, was met with disappointment as the higher court upheld the district court's decision. The court stated that Bretford had been unable to establish that its customers were misdirected about the origin of Smith System's products, thereby finding no violation of the Lanham Act. Further misfortune greeted Bretford when they tried to invoke claims under state law. The court noted that Bretford had not given enough legal justification to support their claim. Therefore, the contention was declared as forfeited. In this high-stakes battle over V-shaped table designs, this decision came as a blow to Bretford and a victory for those advocating for the freedom of functional design replication in this specific industry. The curtain was finally drawn on this legal drama, with Smith System cleared of all charges and Bretford nursing its bruised claims.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.